Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to add a clock on your Pixel 10 home screen. So by default, you can't see any clock. You can only see the date and time on your home screen. You can add the different clock like analog clock, digital clock, and different clock face on your Pixel device using this tutorial. So to add a clock on the home screen, tap and hold the black space on the home screen. Tap on the widgets. Here you can scroll down and you can find the clock option. Tap on it. In the clock, you can see the six different widgets: analog clock, digital clock, stack clock, stopwatch. If you want to set a world clock like a London clock, Mountain View, or any other country, you can also add it on your device. Also set the timer starter. So here we select the analog clock on my device. Just tap on it. Tap on add. Now here you can see four different clock face: scallop, numerical, day, and a clover. So select the option. So here we select numerical on my device. Now here you can see add clock to your home screen. Now you can adjust it by using the four dots, like increase or decrease the clock size like this on your device. Here you can increase clock you want. Tap on the pencil icon to edit it again like this. If you want to change the clock face, and we select this face. To move the place, just long press it and move it anywhere on the home screen. Like here we move this. Also decrease the size. Now here you can see set the clock on Google Pixel 10 home screen. So quite easy to add clock to the home screen. If you want to remove it, just long press it and tap on a remove to remove the clock from the home screen. That's it. Quite easy to add or remove the clock on home screen on your Google Pixel 10 series or any other Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.